Hi everyone. So right now I have a flat, and I'm using two. I'm using two liners. I don't know if you can see them. Wait, like I have liners over here. Do you see them, I'm using Mr. Tuffy's liners. I got two of them inside. I don't know if you can see them though, because of the light, the shadow. Look, you see them? Sorry, my cell phone's shadow. See, I got two liners inside, and I don't. There's no nails. There's no glass. There's nothing. I've circled the tire inside out like 5 times. I don't see any nails, any glass, and I went around my tire like I don't know how many like 3 times already. There's no nails, no holes. There's no I don't see any puncture, and yeah, that's pretty sad because I got two Mr. Tuffy liners inside, and it's impossible for anything that go through that. I mean, the Mr. Tuffy, just one liner is very sturdy, but now I have two of them, and I still got a flat, and I don't understand why. So I'm gonna go back home and try to figure out where is the if there's any puncture whatsoever. I'm gonna use water. I'm gonna put this tire in water because it does deflate. See, I feel like it's deflating, but I don't. There's no hole. There's nothing. There's no. I don't see any. Like I have very good eyes, and I don't see any holes. There's nothing, unless it's a very 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 tiny little tiny very tiny hole. But I like seriously, I usually find it very fast, but here I can't find it at all. I've been through everything. Like I don't know. I need water. I need to have water to put this in water to see where the hole is. Seriously, because I cannot find it. Yeah. So I don't think it's the Mr. Tuffy's fault. I don't know, but I don't understand how can anything go through those two liners. Like seriously, those are like I hate my goddamn shadow. Those are like very sturdy. Like inside over here, I got two of them, two pairs. It's impossible to go through that. It's impossible to go through that. And I have like this is anti-puncture tires plus the two liners. It's impossible. I don't understand how I got a flat. I'm very I don't know, I'm very disappointed. Not in Mr. Tuffy or anything, but I'm just frustrated the fact that even though I take precautions, I still get fat with like flat with this fat bike. I used to have before I put Mr. Tuffy, I used to have a flat every month. Now I get less flat. This is the first time I have flat since 3 months, I think. And even with I thought with those two liners, I wouldn't have any flat, but I still have flats. It's insane, man. So seriously, it's insane. I'm gonna have to go home and confirm if there is a flat or this tire is just pure bullshit tires. I don't know. Like just I mean the tube, maybe the tube is like shit tube. I don't know. Like I got no clue, man. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.